since you left, bitch, you been losing weight. What the hell? You're taking a hair run? Wait, what the hell? You're taking a hair run?
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video gonna be a tutorial on how to wash your hair with waves. Yeah, I feel like this is one of the most critical parts in having waves. Yeah, I kind of skipped the first part, but all you're really gonna do is damp your hair with warm water and apply your shampoo, whichever shampoo you use. Next step, we're gonna brush. Brushing is one of the most critical parts. Yeah, I know that. Give me a little minute. Yeah, I know how I get when you brush.
Hours later.
Alright, gang. Once you brushed up, shampoo applied, we're gonna put the do-rag on. What the do-rag gonna do is gonna keep our hair laid down once we get in the shower. So, you know what I'm saying, everything gonna be nice and intact once we get out the shower. And y'all already know somebody gonna ask. Yes, y'all, rinse the shampoo out your hair through the do-rag. Yes, we're gonna rinse it out through the do-rag. I just had to be extra and add my beard in there. You know what I'm saying? Everything, how you can't leave something out. If y'all enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It does help the channel out a lot. Alright, I just got out the shower. Now I'm just gonna try to get the water out of it. Try to dry my do-rag as much as possible.